Okie dokie, here we go with another ENS video for y'all. And if you wonder what ENS stands for, it's extremely non-scientific. What we're doing is the wound channel of a 350 Legend 180 grain, about 50 yards. We got Mr. Coconut, the cantaloupe, downrange, and we're just going to see what kind of hole the bullet puts through there as a wound channel. So y'all stick around and see how things go down. Got 350 Legend doing the wound channel. We got Mr. Coconut, the cantaloupe. Re-signed another contract deal with him for another season. So he's back in action. Alright. Let's get this wound channel done. Alright, here we go. Well. Went a little lowish. Alright, we might have went a little high. Went in. Yep. Not much really to see here. It's just total annihilation going on with the wound channel. That would be about what it was like. That would be the point of entry. And then that's your exit of the 350 Legend. I was bringing out my, I'm gonna get sticky, a measuring device, because I was thinking it was going to stay together, which it did not. So there you go. That's the that's your exit of a 350 Legend. And there you go, going in. 350 Legend again. There we go, Mr. Coconut needs to get over to the medic station immediately, because you have another shoot coming up shortly. Yes, sirree, Bobski, Bohemian Hunting Club. Thanks for watching.